Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 20 how to delete a GIF tweet on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, and the tweet of a GIF that you have posted. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter. Make sure you're signed into the account, then go to your profile and then click on the GIF we posted. Now to delete this GIF that says computer science is the best subject ever, agreed, go to the arrow that points towards the bottom of your screen. Click on delete. This can't be undone and will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any accounts that follow you, and from the Twitter search results. Delete. And now the tweet of the GIF itself has now been removed. Go to tweets and replies, media. Go back to tweets, go back to your profile. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.